In this video, you will learn how to penis grow. Watch video to the end and then apply these tips. Honey and walnuts. This combination contains vitamins B1 and B2, which provide the body with energy and vital elements that are important for the development of the gonads, and zinc, which is necessary for sexual activity and the functioning of the prostate. Honey is rich in vitamin B, which is necessary for the production of testosterone. Walnut is a natural aphrodisiac and contains vitamin B1 and vitamin B2 that give the body energy and vital elements that are very important for the development of the sex glands. It is equally rich in zinc, which is important for normal sexual activity and prostate function. In combination with honey, it has an enhanced effect on male reproductive health, and in this regard, no pharmaceutical preparation is equal to it. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, which lead to better blood supply to the genitals. A daily glass of juice acts like Viagra. Strawberries are full of anthocyanins, which directly protect blood vessels because they bind to collagen and elastin, which are of crucial importance for the elasticity and permeability of blood vessels. Anthocyanins prevent the release of histamine, thereby reducing the inflammatory and allergic reactions of the body. Effective strengthening the walls of blood vessels makes these phytosubstances indispensable protectors of blood vessels at any age. In addition, they are rich in vitamin C, which is associated with a higher sperm count. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a natural chemical used to burn fat and increase libido. Research has shown that it boosts testosterone and increases circulation. Spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral that reduces inflammation in blood vessels, increasing blood flow. Spinach is also rich in folate, which increases blood flow in the nether regions. Avocados are rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and vitamin E, nutrients linked to increased libido. The good monounsaturated fats in avocados protect your heart and boost circulation, while the minerals and carotenoids give you energy and endurance. Broccoli is rich in indoles, which stimulate the production of testosterone, breaking down excess estrogen that inhibits the production of male sex hormones. In one study, supplementation with indole 3-carbinol from broccoli cut the estrogen hormone estradiol in half in men in just 7 days. Watermelon is the largest source of the amino acid L-citrulline, which has a positive effect on erection. When this amino acid is found in the body, it stimulates the production of nitric oxide, which improves blood circulation. Allicin and other sulfur compounds in garlic relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and improve blood flow to the penis, and increase testosterone production. Peanuts contain the amino acid L-arginine, which is one of the building blocks of nitric oxide, which expands blood vessels and increases blood flow to the penis, restoring the health and strength of the tissues of the cardiovascular system. It also participates in the prevention of the formation of fatty deposits on the walls of blood vessels. Goji berries have been used for thousands of years in Chinese medicine to increase energy and increase blood flow, which helps to oxygenate all cells and tissues in the body, which increases your drive, hence the name goji is the Chinese Viagra. Oysters contain a lot of vitamin B12, they have more zinc than any other food source. This nutrient is essential for testosterone production, and when your testosterone levels drop, so does your penis. Oysters are rich in D-aspartic acid, which has been shown to raise low testosterone levels and improve sperm quality. Tomatoes contain the antioxidant lycopene, which fights against various toxins that cause damage to cells in the body. Tomatoes improve the quality of sperm and reduce the chances of prostate cancer. Herring is rich in magnesium, which increases testosterone and keeps sperm healthy, and vitamin B12. Choline from eggs triggers the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes the arteries and allows blood to flow. Eggs are rich in vitamin B5 and vitamin B6, which help balance hormone levels. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best dietary sources of zinc and magnesium, essential minerals that have been shown to increase testosterone and growth factor hormone levels. Peruvian maca contains vitamin C, E, and B1, and as many as 18 essential amino acids. The most popular is golden poppy powder, which affects the hormonal balance, which can be disturbed for a variety of reasons. Bananas are rich in potassium. They are an ideal food for cardiovascular health and circulation. Potassium keeps the sodium level under control by stopping the sudden spike in blood pressure, thus preventing heart problems. Ginger improves blood flow in the arteries. With the help of ginger, you will improve the work of the heart. You will increase the level of testosterone and the mobility of sperm.
Support us by clicking like and subscribing to the channel.